What's the meaning of Bentley? Bentley. Bentley.
Bentley. Bentley. Bentley is a luxury car brand founded in 1919 by W.O. Bentley. The name Bentley is derived from its founder's last name. The company is known for producing high-end luxury vehicles that are both stylish and powerful. The iconic winged bee logo has become synonymous with prestige and sophistication. Bentley cars are often favored by wealthy individuals and celebrities due to their exclusivity and superior craftsmanship. The company also has a strong racing heritage, having won 6 24 Hours of Le Mans races between 1924 and 2003. In summary, Bentley has become a symbol of opulence and elegance within the automotive industry.